ખુશાલ.
We have started Mahadev sloks. Om Namo Parvati Pate.
હર હર મહાદેવ.
My name is Kushal Nandolia. I am 19 years old. I am a student. I have completed 12th last year in Sriji School. I am living Jetpur. I am currently learning spoken English class in Rajkot from Ravi English Institute. I am dependent on my father and uncles because he is going me out of country. I have started my daily routine. I wake up early morning at 5 o'clock. I take bath and I clean my teeth. I do worship and I don't like to breakfast early morning. I go to learn a spoken English class at 9 o'clock from Ravi English Institute. I return home by 10:30. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock with my brothers. I some watch TV and mobiles with my brothers. I go to sleep at 2 o'clock. I wake up 5 o'clock and I play to cricket every evening. And I go to play cricket. There are 4 members in my family. My fathers, my sisters, my elder sisters, my mothers and me. My father works is furniture making. He is a businessman. My mother is housewife. My elder sister is doing job from Ahmedabad. I am interested cooking, traveling and dancing. I like to watch horror movie, cartoon and action movie. I like to play Garba. Thank you very much for listening to my speech.